Hi there, I'm Adam Dovile and welcome to Selleys Suburban Gold, where we take pre-loved items and upcycle them from old to gold. Today I'm going to show you how to upcycle a fantastic mid-century chair back to its former glory. I've just found this great mid-century chair in desperate need of some TLC to restore it to its former glory. Let's make sure I've got everything I need. Sugar soap, Knead-It multi-purpose, Araldite super strength, sandpaper, tape, and some varnish for that fresh new finish. To start, I'm going to give it a thorough clean with some Selleys sugar soap. This is an important step to prepare before varnishing, which I'm going to do a little later. For the next part of my project, I'm going to grab the Knead-It multi-purpose. That's perfect for rebuilding and filling holes just like this one. Knead-It is a moldable putty and has a rapid set time of less than 10 minutes. Best of all, because it dries to a rock hard mold that can be sanded back and painted over once it dries. The last repair I need to complete is mending this broken leg and arm. To do this, I'll be using some Araldite Super Strength. This product is amazing. It can hold up to 150 kilos on most surfaces. It forms a rigid and durable bond, is heat and water resistant, which is perfect for so many applications. After a sand and clean, I'm finally ready to complete this refresh with a quick lick of varnish. And there you have it. Our mid-century chair has been brought back to life. And now it's your turn. Search Selleys Suburban Gold for all the details, tips and tricks on your next upcycling project. You'll be amazed on what you can find to restore. And once you've completed your Suburban Gold project, tag at Selleys ANZ and hashtag Selleys Suburban Gold and see you in the next step.